Deep watering encourages strong roots. I'll show you how. Water slowly at the base until the soil is moist. This prevents shallow roots and keeps them resilient. During the golden hour, rose petals are at their most vibrant, showing the benefits of proper summer care like regular watering and sunlight. This helps the blooms thrive and resist summer stress. In summer, mulching is key to keeping roses healthy. First, loosen the soil around the base with a trowel. Now, spread a 3-inch layer of mulch to hold moisture. This keeps your roses blooming all season.
Summer is the perfect time to deadhead faded rose blooms. Locate a faded flower and snip it just above a leaf. This encourages new growth and more roses.
Summer is prime time for fertilizing roses. Sprinkle the granules evenly around the base, about 6 inches from the stem. Now, water it in thoroughly to help the roots absorb the nutrients.
In summer, check rose leaves for powdery mildew. It appears as a white coating on the soils for aphids. Water deeply and feed with a rose fertilizer. Consistent care keeps roses healthy and blooming all summer.
In summer, prune weak rose stems to focus the plant's energy. Use sharp shears and cut at the base. This simple step encourages new, healthy growth. Check your rose leaves closely for black spot disease, common in summer. Look for these dark, circular spots with feathery edges on the upper surfaces. Rotate the leaf to the underside, where spots may also appear. Treat promptly to protect your roses. Watering is crucial for roses in summer. Use a can to soak the soil, not the leaves, to avoid disease. Water deeply in the morning, letting it drain. This encourages strong roots and healthy blooms.
In summer, adding compost to roses is key for healthy blooms. Open the bag and scoop compost to the base. Pat it down to retain moisture.
Summer heat waves can stress your roses. Deep, consistent watering is also essential. Water at the base in the morning. Apply mulch to keep roots cool and retain moisture. Follow these steps to keep your roses thriving all season.
In summer, check your roses' soil moisture to prevent drought stress. The soil should be moist a few inches down. A moisture meter can give a precise reading. This soil is well watered. At sunset, roses glow, needing extra care in summer heat. Water deeply at the base to keep roots cool. Prune spent blooms to encourage new growth. In summer, leggy stems on roses need trimming to encourage new growth. Use sharp shears to make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle. This prevents disease and promotes bushier, healthier plants. Repeat this for all leggy stems. During the summer, roses are vulnerable to pests. I'll use insecticidal soap. Mix 2 tablespoons per gallon of water and spray the leaves thoroughly. This protects the roses without harsh chemicals. Reapply every week. For summer roses, we'll install a drip system. Lay the tubing at the base of each bush. The emitters provide slow, steady moisture. This prevents water waste and keeps roses healthy. Summer care for roses includes removing yellow leaves to boost plant health. Grip the leaf base and pull firmly to detach it from the stem. This allows the plant to focus energy on new growth and blooms. Summer is the perfect time to add fresh mulch to your roses. Spread a 2-inch layer around the base, keeping it away from the stems. This helps retain moisture and keeps weeds down. Your roses will thank you. Early morning is the best time to care for roses. Cut just above a leaf with 5 to 7 leaflets. This encourages new, healthy blooms all summer long. Early morning is the best time to care for roses. Cut just above a leaf with 5 to 7 leaflets. This encourages new, healthy blooms all summer long. For summer rose care, deep watering is crucial. A soaker hose slowly delivers water right to the root zone. This ensures deep penetration, avoiding shallow roots and promoting to check for even moisture. Deep roots mean healthier roses. In summer, check your roses for pests under the leaves. Look here, you can see these small green aphids. Remove them by hand or use a natural spray. Check your plants weekly for healthy roses. For summer rose care, measure water into your can. Pour in the rose fertilizer granules. Stir the mixture well until it's fully dissolved. Your liquid fertilizer is ready for healthy summer roses. In summer, lightly shape your rose bush for better blooms. Use sharp shears to trim just above a leaf. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant healthy. In summer, lightly shape your rose bush for better blooms. Use sharp shears to trim just above a leaf. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant healthy. In summer, dew on rose petals is a sign of freshness. It keeps the flowers hydrated, protecting them from the heat. This natural moisture is essential for vibrant, healthy roses. Summer brings heat. Good airflow is key to keeping roses healthy. Prune to open up the center of the bush. This allows air to circulate, preventing disease. Healthy roses. Summer is a great time to care for your roses. First, find any damaged or dead branches. Make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle. This promotes healthy new growth. Summer is a great time to care for your roses. First, find any damaged or dead branches. Make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle. This promotes healthy new growth. First, loosen the soil around the rose bushes. This helps the mulch retain moisture in the summer heat. Now, apply a 2-inch layer around the base. This prevents weeds and keeps the roots cool. Summer is the perfect time to care for your roses. First, a deep watering to help them through the heat. Next, deadhead faded blooms to encourage new growth. Finally, a layer of mulch to keep the soil healthy. To check summer drainage for your roses, pour water at the base. Good drainage is shown by water soaking in within seconds. If it pools, add compost to improve the soil. This vibrant bloom cluster shows roses thriving in summer. Consistent watering and full sun keep them vibrant. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage new growth. With care, enjoy blooms all summer long. Summer is peak season for rose care. Let's inspect these buds. Look for tight, healthy buds like this with no spots. Check the undersides of leaves for aphids. Water deeply and mulch to keep them thriving. In the summer breeze, your roses thrive. Water deeply at the base and apply mulch. Remove faded blooms to encourage new growth. In the summer breeze, your roses thrive. Water deeply at the base and apply mulch. Remove faded blooms to encourage new growth. Summer is ideal for feeding roses. Let's apply a balanced fertilizer. Pour the granules evenly around the base of the bushes. Gently mix it into the soil to help it absorb. This promotes healthy summer growth and blooms. In summer, removing spent blooms keeps roses healthy and encourages flowers the stem below the head. Pull downward firmly to snap it off. This directs energy to new growth. Repeat this for a tidier, more productive rose bush. In summer, rose bushes need protection from intense heat. This shade cloth blocks harsh sun, keeping the roses cool and vibrant. Drape it over the bushes and secure the edges with ties. This simple step prevents heat stress and promotes healthy blooms. Check the leaf's color. It should be vibrant green. Look for spots or holes from pests or disease. Healthy leaves ensure your roses bloom all summer. Check weekly for best results. Let's check this rose leaf. The top surface is a vibrant green. Now, the underside. Look for pests or spots that could signal disease. This leaf is healthy. Water roses in the morning to avoid heat stress. To care for roses in summer, drainage holes are essential. Water thoroughly, allowing excess to drain away. This prevents root rot and keeps roses healthy. Your roses will thank you. In summer, roses need pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are drawn to their scent and color. They transfer pollen, ensuring more blooms. Support them with water, mulch, and avoid pesticides. In summer, top-dressing roses with compost boosts soil health and moisture. Apply a layer around the base, keeping it away from the stems. This feeds the plants and suppresses weeds. In summer, gently prune your roses to encourage new blooms. Make cuts at a 45-degree angle, just above an outward-facing bud. This promotes healthy growth and more flowers.
Black spot starts as small dark circles on rose leaves. It spreads quickly in summer, causing leaves to yellow and drop. Check the undersides too. Remove infected leaves to stop it. This keeps your roses healthy.
Summer roses thrive with vibrant blooms. Regularly deadhead faded flowers to encourage new growth. Water deeply at the base to keep the soil moist.
Hello! These roses are thriving in the summer sun. A good layer of mulch keeps the roots cool and moist. And water deeply in the morning for healthy blooms.
Hello! These roses are thriving in the summer sun. To care for them, water deeply at the base and apply mulch to keep the soil cool. Enjoy your beautiful blooms all season. It's summer and roses need deep watering. Let's check the moisture. I'll dig down 6 inches to check the root zone. This soil feels moist and clumps together. It's perfect. No need to water. Check again in a few days. In summer, inspect your roses for disease. Look for leaves with spots and yellowing to make a clean cut at the base. Dispose of the leaf to prevent spreading infection. Your rose bush will thank you with healthy new growth. In summer, roses need extra nutrients. I'm applying a balanced granule around the base, avoiding the stems. This feeds the roots for strong summer blooms. Water it in well after. In the summer, water your roses slowly at the base to reach the roots. This encourages deep root growth and prevents heat stress. The soil should be moist, not flooded. In summer, trim faded rose flowers to encourage new blooms. Use sharp shears to cut just above a leaf set. This redirects energy, promoting more vibrant flowers. Repeat for a healthier rose bush. In summer, mulch helps roses retain moisture and stay cool. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer around the base. This prevents weeds and keeps roots healthy. In summer, vibrant roses need special care. Water deeply at the base to prevent wilting. Provide afternoon shade to protect from intense sun. Prune wisely for continuous blooms. In summer, check your roses for aphids. They're often on the leaf undersides. Gently turn the leaves over to inspect. If you find any, use your garden shears to prune the affected stems. In summer, start by giving your roses a good, deep watering to prepare the soil. Next, apply a balanced granular fertilizer evenly around the base. Finally, a liquid feed on the leaves provides essential nutrients for blooming. Healthy rose stems have thorns for protection and nodes for new growth. The leaves are essential for photosynthesis, especially during the summer. This bud will proper care, including consistent watering. Mulch helps retain moisture in the summer heat. Silhouetted against a summer sunset, these rose bushes remind us of the care they need. In the heat, water at the base in the morning, and apply mulch to keep roots cool. Protect them from harsh rays. In hot summer weather, deep watering is key for rose care. Water slowly at the base to reach the roots. This helps the plants withstand heat and prevents disease.
In summer, it's important to find and remove weak shoots from your rose bushes. These thin, pale shoots won't produce good flowers. Use sharp shears to cut them at the base. This helps the plant focus its energy.
A beautiful rose garden in summer. Regular watering and pruning keep them healthy. Use sharp shears for clean cuts. Mulch helps retain moisture during hot days. In the summer, inspect new rose buds for signs of healthy growth. Look for tight, green buds and check the stems for new thorns. With proper summer care, these buds will bloom beautifully.